everyone, Miss Rita here. Today we are going to learn how to give the title and topic to your particular subject in Google Classroom. Click on Google Classroom. I have the subject 6C Max. So here I'll go in the classwork. Click on the plus sign, material. So here what I can do, I'm going to give the practice set 1. Kindly, I will write a description related to the practice set number 1. Kindly see video of practice set 1. Topic name, I am giving here chapter 1 basic concepts in geometry. Save. See here I have created my title practice set number 1. Description I have given, kindly see the video of practice set number 1. And topic is chapter 1 basic concept in geometry. Here I will give the link for my practice set number 1. So chapter 1 basic concept in geometry digital learning. This is my attachment I have given. I will share with my student. Okay. So under chapter 1 basic concept in the lesson name is given, that is our topic. The practice set number 1 was our title. Same way, one more work I am giving over here, classwork. So we will write the practice set 2. Kindly see video of practice set 2. Here I am creating the topic. The practice set 2 is related to chapter number 2, angles. So click on save. Now here I have to give the attachment link. So I have to go in the YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is here. So here I am going to give my chapter 2 angle lesson in this. This is my practice set number 2. We put the link over here, paste link, chapter 2 angle. I will upload this file. You can see in my classwork, topic name is basic concept in geometry, the first one, the practice set 1. Chapter 2 is the angle, practice set 2. If the practice set number is related to the angle lesson only, so I can do again here practice set 3. Kindly see video of practice set 3. So topic which I can select, the practice set 3 come under the angle lesson. I will click on the angle lesson, save. Okay, we'll share. I'm not giving you a link and teachers understand. So practice set was related to chapter number 2. So topic same I have selected. So it will come in the under chapter number 2. Okay. I hope you have understood and thank you for watching this video.